Do you know what all these products have in common? They are all formulated products, and their function is the result of the interaction between the ingredients they contain. Understanding and predicting these interactions is the purpose of a branch of chemistry called Formulation Science and Technology. To understand how this works, let us have a closer look at a very familiar formulated product, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is made of microscopic drops of oil suspended in vinegar or lemon juice, which are stabilized by soap-like molecules from the egg yolk. The reason why it's so difficult to make mayonnaise with the right taste and texture is that these properties depend on many different factors, such as the choice of ingredients, the order in which they are added, and the mixing equipment used. The role of the formulation expert is to make decisions regarding all these factors and understand the interplay between them. My name is Isabel Mira, and I work at RISE as a senior scientist in the area of formulation. Formulation is more than getting just the right texture, the right taste. Most common formulated products then contain both actives and non-active substances, and the active is the material or the substance that is responsible for the main function of the product. The others are there to enhance the performance of the active through the whole lifetime of the product, so from the time that it's produced to the time that it's used. At RISE, we work with the development of all types of formulations, so solid, semi-solid, liquids. But we also work through all the stages of the product development, from the design to the characterization, troubleshooting, and help to scale up. A good example of this is the work we have done together with Geico, where our partnership has enabled the launching of a new generation of eco-certified floor polish products.
Geico was founded in 1967 by my father, and there was a big scope for chemical technical products in the mid-60s. My first impression from RISE was that I was very impressed by the amount of people and the quality of the people working here. Thanks to RISE, we've been able to increase the amount of bio-based materials in our product, and we have enhanced environmental benefits in our products. So it has managed for us to stay ahead of the market. And since 2005, they are our strategic research partner, and we are investing more and more into collaboration with RISE.
Regardless of the industrial sector or the size of the companies are welcome to contact us if they are looking for partners with whom they want to discuss their formulation challenges. Together, we can develop new strategies and solutions to the problems of tomorrow.